Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to take you through a really quick and easy way to create both steps as well as grids within your MobileFrame applications directly from the enterprise data that already exists within your system. So if you have tables and or objects within your system, good news is that you do not have to recreate those steps within your apps. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we have a table called demo_energy drinks. I've got a few different columns in here: drink name, caffeine content, as well as drink photo. And what I'm going to do is I am going to open up my energy drink app, and I'm going to create steps, as well as I'll go ahead and create a grid. So we'll start off with steps. Very simply, if you're in this little steps area, if I just right click and I go to auto create, I can go to step from object, and then if I type in energy drink and click on select, it will go ahead and create all of the steps for me, and then I can just simply drag and drop them onto the screen and figure out where I'd like to save them, so on and so forth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a separate way real quick, and what we're going to do is we are going to create a grid step from an object. So basically create a grid within the MobileFrame application. So if I select grid step from object and then I do the same thing, we'll say energy drink, it'll give us the columns within the grid, and I do not want the ID or the drink photo type. I just want the drink name, caffeine, and drink photo. Go ahead and click on OK. It'll give us a default name for our grid step. I'll leave that as is. And then boom, now we have the grid within our app. And then we could very simply drag and drop that onto the screen and format it however we would like. So the next time that you are looking to add steps to your MobileFrame application and or grids within your MobileFrame application, this is a real easy way to do so without having to do them all manually. And in fact, what I'll do is I'm going to show you one extra little tip here as well. And if you did create the grid, you can actually right click and then go to auto create. And then I can say column steps for this grid. So what this will do is this will actually create steps directly from the columns that you've identified in your grid. So very simple. Again, we're just going to go inside the MobileFrame app, right click, auto create, and then you can go ahead and create steps from the object, which will create just the steps, and or I can create a grid step from the object. Then from the grid step, if you want to create matching steps, you can go ahead and do so as well. And so these would also be available to then drag and drop onto the screen. So real quick and easy video for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any feedback, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'd be more than happy to make a video to help. See ya.